In a world brimming with smart devices, how do we navigate the labyrinth of IoT integration? The challenge is real. Diverse platforms, languages, and protocols clash, hindering seamless communication. Without unity, the potential of IoT remains untapped, leading to inefficiencies and lost opportunities. Enter middleware solutions, the unsung heroes that bridge gaps and foster harmony among devices. Middleware acts as a translator, enabling devices to understand each other and work as one. APIs are the building blocks of IoT integration, offering a common language for diverse systems. With APIs, developers can weave a tapestry of devices, creating a cohesive IoT ecosystem. Imagine a hospital where devices communicate flawlessly, ensuring patient care is never compromised. This is no fantasy. Middleware and APIs make this level of interoperability a reality. Yet the journey doesn't end here. The evolution of IoT demands continuous innovation and integration. As tech professionals, we must stay ahead, crafting solutions for the IoT landscapes of tomorrow. The path forward is clear. Embrace middleware, harness APIs, and unlock the full potential of IoT. Together, we can overcome the barriers, turning the chaos of integration into a symphony of connectivity. Let's build a future where technology serves us all, seamlessly and efficiently, through the power of integration. Join us on this transformative journey, where every connection counts and every device has a voice.